my little minions, it's me, Bo Chevisu, coming to you with one of the coolest pocket knives ever. But first of all, we've got a little clickbait right here. This is Lippy. Don't worry, he will not be hurt. He's just a little lazy boy right there. Now, this is a very unique knife because you're able to deploy it with one hand. There's no push button. It's not a switchblade or anything like that. Here's how this innovative design works. So see this hook right there? That hook catches the edge of your pocket as you pull it out of your pocket. So as you pull it with one hand, it immediately opens up. It's a very, very fast deployment. And so now typically, if you were to put this in your pocket and you were to pull out your pocket knife, most people pull it straight up like that. In this particular case, you don't want to do that. As you pull it out, you want to, again, kind of pull it back behind you and see how that hook catches right on the edge of your pocket. And with a little momentum, it opens up like this. And it's fairly safe to do. It's I would actually say it's safer to open your pocket knife like that as opposed to trying to put your thumb on here and open it up like that, because it is a bit sticky to try to open this up with one hand. And because the blade is so sharp, I don't want to put that much force on this. Otherwise my thumb and fingers are going to slip. And so it's actually much safer to open it up like this. And then of course it is locking, so you simply push it like this to close it. So you can even close it with one hand as well. I love the tanto tip, that little blade edge on the very tip. It's just so nice, especially for opening up lots of Amazon boxes, because it's very easy to pierce in and continue to slice through. So it's extremely, extremely sharp, fast deployment, very comfortable. As you can see, fits very nicely. A fantastic EDC knife. Lippy, how many stars do you give this? I think he gives it 5 out of 5 stars. So well done, well done. 5 out of 5 star pocket carry.